Hi children, welcome to class 12 Health and Physical Education online class. Today we are going to learn about soft tissue injuries from Unit 7 Physiology and Injuries in Sports. What do you mean by sports injuries? Sports injuries refer to the kinds of injury that occur during sports or exercise. Sports injuries are common in the field of games and sports. The players can be injured when they do practice, training, or participating in competitions. Classification of sports injuries. Sports injuries can be classified in the following ways. They are soft tissue injuries, bone injuries, and joint injuries. Children, today we are going to learn about soft tissue injuries only. Soft tissue injuries. Children, here we are going to learn about 5 types of soft tissue injuries. They are, first one is contusion, second one is strain, third one is sprain, fourth one is abrasion, and the fifth one is bruises. The first soft tissue injury is contusion. Contusion is a muscle injury. A direct hit with or without any sports equipments can be the main cause of contusion. It can also be due to some minor accident to the skin, such as falling, bumping into something, or being hit or kicked. Actually, in contusion, the blood vessels in the muscles are broken, and sometimes bleeding also may occur. Stiffness and swelling are common in contusion. Sometimes muscles fail to respond due to contusion. The prevention of contusion. The athlete should perform proper warming up before training or competition. Stretching exercise also very much important. During preparatory period, conditioning also should be done. The athlete should use proper protective and good quality equipments. The play field or court should be smooth and clean. To prevent injuries, the knowledge about the game is compulsory. Good officiating quality of official is must for prevent contusion. The treatment of contusion. Cold compression should be used immediately. Ice or cold water should not be used for more than 40 minutes persistently. Cold compression should be done 5 to 6 times daily. If swelling is there, anti-inflammatory medicine should be used. Still the swelling persists, consult a doctor. Flexibility exercises should be performed during rehabilitation. The second soft tissue injury is strain. Actually, strain is a muscle injury. Strain can be mild or severe. Strain is caused by twisting or pulling a muscle or tendon. It can happen suddenly or it can be developed over days or weeks. Sometimes in strain, the complete muscle can be ruptured. Suddenly, strain is caused by recent injury like lifting heavy objects in wrong way. Chronic strains usually caused by moving the muscles and tendons in repetition. The prevention of strain. As usual, proper warming up and conditioning, using proper protective equipment and good quality equipments, using proper smooth and clean play fields for playing, good knowledge about the rules and regulations of the games, good officiating quality of the officials, and stop the game in case of any fatigue. These are the important ways to prevent strain. What about the treatment of strain? Price procedure is the important treatment of strain. In price, P stands for protection. Protect the injured area of the victim from further injury by giving support. R stands for rest. Avoid the temptation to move the injured part. For proper treatment, reduce exercises and give complete rest to heal. I stands for ice. Apply ice with the wrapped wet cloth to prevent skin burns. Apply ice pack for 5 minutes for small injury but 20 minutes for large area at a time. 4 to 8 times a day can be done. C stands for compression. Compression of an injured thigh muscle, hamstring, calf, biceps or tricep muscle helps in reducing swelling as well as bleeding. Using a firm pad with a strap around it, hold it in a place. Compression should not be applied very hard because it can hinder the blood flow. E stands for elevation. In elevation, keep a pillow below the injured part. If the injured area above the level of heart, it may reduce the swelling. For the first 72 hours after muscle strain, avoid any kind of heat treatment such as hot bath, sauna bath or heat packs, etc. Running or exercise should be avoided. Physiotherapy can be given for some severe injuries. These are the treatment of strain. Now we are going to learn about the third soft tissue injury, that is sprain. Children, sprain is a ligament injury. It may occur due to overstretching or tearing ligament, falling, twisting or getting hit can cause ligament around the joint to tear. Normally, sprain occurs at wrist joint and ankle joint. Sometimes it will lead to fracture also. In sprain, the person will get swelling, inflammation, severe pain and tenderness in the injured area. What about the prevention of sprain? As usual, warming up, conditioning should be done properly. Athletes should use proper and good quality protective equipment. The play field should be smooth and clean. The athlete should have knowledge about the game, getting good officials for good officiating during game, discontinue to play in case of fatigue, taking well balanced diet, maintaining healthy weight, avoid falling, wearing shoe that fit well. These are all the very important prevention. And the treatment of sprain can be PRICE and MICE procedure. As you all know, PRICE stands for protection, rest, ice, compression and elevation. The PRICE procedure should be done properly. Once the signs of inflammation have gone and heat and redness are reduced, the MICE procedure can be started. What is MICE procedure? In MICE, M stands for mobilization. The small movement should be done to the injured area. The light exercise can be performed. If the pain is felt during exercise, stop the exercise immediately. But if the pain disappears in 20 or 30 seconds, the exercise can be continued. I stands for ice, C stands for compression and E stands for elevation. These are all the important treatment about sprain. The fourth soft tissue injury is abrasion. It is a major injury. It occurs due to friction with certain equipment or fall over the area where the bone is very close to the skin. Falling on the hard surface may be occurs abrasion. For example, some falls on slides on the basketball court where the concrete surface will get abrasion. The mild abrasion are known as grasses or scraps. The prevention of abrasion can be doing proper warming up and conditioning, use of proper protective equipment and good quality equipments, using smooth and clean play fields. Players should have the knowledge about the game, good officials for officiating. The athlete should cover the exposed skin with a layer of proper clothing and learn the correct technique before taking part in any sports. These are the prevention of abrasion. The treatments of abrasion are the first of all, clean the affected part with fresh water, pick out the dead tissue, gravel or debris that might be sticking on the wound. Use clean as well as sterile gauze to wipe the dirt from the affected part. Do it carefully. Apply medicinal ointment so that bacteria does not affect the wound. Then visit a doctor for proper dressing. And finally, the dressing should be changed as per the instruction by the doctor. This is the treatment for abrasion. The fifth soft tissue injury is bruises. A bruise, also known as contusion. In bruises, upper skin remains unaffected, but inner tissues are damaged. Bruises are not clearly seen. The blood spreads under the skin because the ruptured blood from damaged blood vessels beneath the skin collects near the surface of the skin, resulting in a black and blue mark. Bruises occur when a sports person bump into some sports equipment. Initially, bruise can be reddish, and then few hours it turns blue or dark purple. What are the preventions of bruises? Adequate warming up before any sports activity. Players should have good anticipation power. They have to be careful and alert during practice and competition. The players should not be rash. They should play according to the rules and regulations. The play field should be smooth and clean. The players should stop if they feel fatigue. They have to use proper protective equipments. These are the important ways to prevent bruises. The treatment of bruises. The RICE procedure is recommended for treating bruises. As you all know, in RICE procedure, R stands for rest, I stands for ice, C stands for compression, and the E stands for elevation. This is the easy method to treat bruises. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Take care.